So Richard, what do you think?
Feeling a lot better since we did the transplant. I feel a lot more confident compared to when I was like practically bald.
I'm going to present Richard to you. He's 26 years old and had a hair transplant of the front of the scalp 1 year ago. When he came, he was quite bald with a Norwood 5, but we transplanted the first half, the anterior portion of the scalp, with a follicular excision, unit excision, at about 2,800 grafts. So I'm going to show you what he looked like initially. You can see that the anterior scalp is quite thin, low density.
Don't forget to lift it. There, thank you. Okay.
And this is the result 1 year later. So I'm going to present here. You can see the hairline. It's very natural. It's high density. Turn your head towards me. Yeah. To your left. You can see the hairline, very natural. So let's just concentrate on the hairline. And you would never be able to tell that you had a hair transplant done. Turn to your right, slowly. Your head down a bit. And this is a transplanted hair in the front. Look at the camera, please. So Richard, what do you think?
Feeling a lot better since we did the transplant. I feel a lot more confident compared to when I was like practically bald.
When did the hair begin to grow in?
About 4 to 5 months.
At 4 to 5 months.
Yeah.
Okay. And it has grown since?
Yeah, exponentially.
Okay. And you think it was worth it then?
Yeah.
And have you had comments from anybody?
A lot more people were surprised. They were like, whoa, when they first saw it. And I was just like, I felt a lot more, a boost in confidence when people started like noticing a lot more. So.
And for anybody out there who's thinking of getting a hair transplant but not sure, what would you say to them?
I'd say to definitely do it, because you don't want to live with regrets. You'll feel like, oh, I should have done it, and like it's better to do it now than to in the future to not to think you wanted to do it. And